Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at gold here on the weekly time frame just to start things off. You can see the bulls are really starting to come into their own here, developing support near this 1269.80 level, and then that was the lows, and ever since then it's been just kind of grinding its way back up. So let's drop down to the daily time frame and see what's going on. Basically, we had a nice strong move last week. We started coming back, and then today just bounced off this 1270 level, and with a vengeance. We closed very high up, near or at the high, so around 1288.65 probably, or 12, let's just call it 1289 just to be even about it. So the next level here is going to be an interesting one. So either we have gold continue to push up higher, break through this level here, and start to see those 1300 prints, or we continue to consolidate, like I was saying, wouldn't be a bad thing. So I'm kind of leaning towards the latter part, even though I'd like to see gold, start to make its move. I still feel that with the current conditions, the U.S. dollar is kind of, it still has room to go. So maybe we can get to 1300. I'm not sure if we'll hold it though, but in any case, the end of the week is going to be pretty crucial. So if we do, let me just give you both case scenarios. So the worst case scenario that I see right now is that gold just kind of continues to fluctuate between this Fibonacci level here. I believe it's the 23.6, and here's the 38.2. And if that happens, consolidation is not the worst thing, and especially for gold, it just broke above this major downtrend line here. So consolidation is typically in order. But with the bulls, we may see price kind of just come back a little bit and then rocket outwards. So it's really going to depend upon what happens with the dollar and the yen the rest of the week and heading into the next week as well. But it looks like for right now, gold has a pretty good chance to kind of get things going. So let's drop down to the hourly time frame. You can see we went below this 200 for a little bit. Everybody started getting a little bit nervous there. Came back down, tested this support level here, and ever since then, it's just been continuing to just absolutely go parabolic. So we've gone up, and now it's a matter of what's the next steps. So for right now, we're still going to be looking for this area at around 1290 to act as a little bit of a resistance level here. And I say a little bit like it's nothing, but it is going to be a level to watch for, and there will be another level right around this 1295 level. As you can see here, we've had a couple situations where we did in fact test, fail, and then we broke above, tried to get the above 1297, didn't happen. And here again with this 1295 area, it's just been a proven area. So for right now, that's what you'll be looking for. We're still not out of the clear, and again, it's going to depend upon what happens with the dollar and the yen. As you can see here, though, we already have a nice opening to the next candle, so there's already a little bit of a gap. If I dropped it on the 30-minute time frame, you can really see what's going on here. So again, a little bit of a gap here. Nothing to be too concerned about as far as the overall price action of gold. It's still looking very good. And we do have a gap here. So I don't know if you could see it, but I'll go ahead and scoot the screen over so that everybody could see it. But on this chart, we do have a little bit of a gap. Not much. Nothing to be too concerned about. But if you're a bull, it's a good thing to see because you look at that as a little bit of a target to hit. I know I do. So for right now, we'll be looking for 1290, and a break of that brings 1295 relatively quickly, and then obviously a test of the 1297, 1298 level. And once we do get a break and close above this level here, then it's going to be off to the races again. So for gold, looking at the daily time frame, I'm going to have to go out to the weekly apparently. So looking at the weekly time frame, here's what's happening. I mean, just look at what's been going on. So a break of 1300, then we'll be up in this area here, and then we're going to be heading back towards that 1370 mark. Break of that, then we'll be heading back into the 1500s or so. So if I go out to the monthly time frame, just kind of giving you a further push out of the forecast here. After we break this level here, obviously there's going to be some levels of resistance as we go, but given that this is the monthly time frame, you're going to be looking pretty much at where these wicks are right here around 1500, 1540. So another level here down at 1481. So either way, once we get back above this level here, then the 23.6 is going to be the area that you want to see a support heading forward, which is around 1298 or so, and then we'll see pushing higher through 1316 and higher as we go. But for right now, worst case scenario, as I said, would be a little bit of consolidation. Um, the ultimate worst case scenario, I should say, would be breaking this downtrend line and going back down. But I just don't see that happening right now. So for right now, I see potential, double top setting up, and then we'll see some consolidation. But you never know. We might just get a nice big push and break out of this, doldrum that we've been in. We broke out once. Do we get a second breakout so quickly? It's definitely possible, especially with everything going on in the world. So I'm definitely bullish. Just cautious on where to get in at this point. But I do think that we'll see at least a little bit of consolidation, dropping down to the 30-minute time frame. Here's the 200. So keep your eye on what's happening with the 200 and the 50. There might be an opportunity for people still to get in. So even if we bump up to 1290, reverse a little bit and then kind of swing back. Again, consolidation is going to be the key here for gold. So I'll update you all over the weekend when things might be a little bit more clear for me. But for right now, still looking very good for gold, and the bulls, still doing their thing. Congratulations once again. It's been a hell of a week for you guys. So good work. Thank you so much for watching. I'm on Wall Street. Presentation from thetradersperspective.com. If you have any questions or concerns, you can comment below. You can email me at thetradersperspective@gmail.com. But till then, I will see you all on probably Sunday. Got a pretty full schedule this week, but until then, I will give you every update as usual. Thanks again for watching. I hope you all have a very green week.